For this flattening jig, the very first thing you have to do is cut the rails. You have to be able to make sure that your router will fit in it, and then you need to mark everything and make sure everything obviously slides correctly. Then we're going to cut the base. There's really two different ways to do the base. One is how I did it in this picture. Another is to actually just take two pieces, essentially the same size as the side rails, and then you could put those together with perpendicular pieces on the ends, and that actually serve as the stops for the router as well. But I chose this way. I drilled out what I wanted, and then I used a jigsaw, cut that out. Now, we had a small earthquake, not really, but if you'll watch, you'll see what I'm talking about. Right there. So if you can see there we go, there's a much better shot. I'm using a straight bit, and you see that I'm cutting it. I'm cutting more of it. Cutting more of it. And it works fairly well. I mean, quick, down and dirty, works really good. I mean, I saved a ton of time on sanding. And of course, you can't use a planer because it's all put together. Thank you again, Charlie Mike.